Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if won't send text messages on Motorola G87. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger and check your network. After network, check your network, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option, reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.